Now we have some hearts, and we've made chocolate hearts. They have the same form and exactly the same thickness, and we have 2 dimensions. We have a small heart where we know that 8 small hearts weigh 100 grams. So they weigh 100 grams. So that will tell us that one small heart weighs 100 grams divided by 8, which will be 12.5 grams. So one small heart weighs 12.5 grams. But we also know that one small heart costs 5 kronas. So one small heart costs 5 kronas, and the first question is, what is the kilo price of the small hearts? Kilo price. So 12.5 grams costs us 5 kronas. We don't want to know what 12.5 grams cost us. We would like to know what 1,000 grams cost us. The easiest way to do that is go first to 1 gram. Divide 12.5 by 12.5 to tell us what 1 gram costs. If we divide this side by 12.5, we divide the right-hand side as well. So we get that 1 gram is going to cost us 5 kronas divided by 12.5. So that's what 1 gram is going to cost us. Well, 1,000 grams is going to cost us 1,000 times more than what 1 gram costs. So this is the same as 1 kilo. 1 kilo is going to cost us then, so multiply by 1,000 to get 1 kilo. It's going to cost us the same price that 1 gram cost, which was 5 divided by 12.5, multiplied by 1,000 as well. So we do the same thing to both sides of our equation here. So we'll find out that 1 kilo will cost us 5 times 1,000, which is the same as 5,000 divided by 12.5, which is 400 kronas per kilo. So the kilo price equals 400 kronas per kilogram. So that's the price of the chocolate. And then we have a part B to this question, and it says, how many large hearts will be enough for 100 grams? We know that we get 8 small hearts in 100 grams. 8 small hearts in 100 grams. How many large hearts will we get? Well, we need to think about our areas here. We're talking about areas because we've got the same height, we've got the same thickness. So the only thing that's changing between the small heart and the larger heart is actually the area. If we were to take a square that was 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre and double the sides of the squares, so we got 2 centimetres by 2 centimetres, and we looked at the area of this square would be 1 by 1, would be 1 centimetre squared, whereas the area of this square would be 2 by 2, it would be 4 centimetres squared. If we had a square that was 2 by 2 and changed it to 4 by 4 instead, the area of this square would be 2 by 2, would be 4 centimetres squared, and the area of this squared would be 4 by 4, which would be 16 centimetres squared. So we can see that the relationship between area, when we change the side and just double the side, the area ends up being 4 times the original area. So the area is always times 4. The reason that it's times 4 is that we have doubled one side and another. So we end up with the area squared, 2 squared. So the area that we are going to have for our hearts is going to be 4 times the area. So if we can get 8 small hearts with 100 grams, we would have 8 small hearts divided by 2 squared to give us number of large hearts. Of large hearts. because the number of small hearts, when we increase the length by 2 and we increase the breadth by 2, we'll get a factor 4 larger. So we need to take 8 divided by 4, which would give us 2 large hearts. Area always changes by a factor 4 if we double the length and the breadth. And that's an important fact to remember. So good luck with that one.